Hello dear students, today we will discuss definition of continuity of a function. Okay, we are discussing real valued function, right? Come to meaning of the word continuity at first. Continuity means state of being continuous. Continuous means without break. Okay, so continuity it is a state of being continuous. It is a state of what? Being continuous. Okay, that means a graph, something which is continuous. We say that that thing has continuity. Okay, again I am saying, in case of a graph, if a graph is continuous, then we say that that graph has continuity. Okay, you see, the I have drawn three graphs for your for understanding clearly. You see, this is a continuous graph. Okay, without any break, there is no break. This is a discontinuous function, discontinuous graph. Okay, we can say also this is a discontinuous function. This is also a discontinuous graph. Okay, come to definition. A function is said to be continuous throughout its domain if we can draw its graph without break. Okay, perhaps you can understand. Now come to uh, the language of limit. Let y is equal to fx. Its domain includes within the open interval. You see a minus h, a plus h. H is very small. H greater than 0. Okay, h is greater than 0. It is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if for given epsilon greater than 0 there exists delta such that modulus of fx minus fa. Okay, you see the term fa, not l. In previous class we I have written l, limiting value. Okay, l. Okay, you see, so fx minus fa, functional value. Okay, modulus of this less than epsilon whenever modulus of x minus a less than delta. Okay, so depending on epsilon, there exists, you will have to show that there exists delta such that modulus of fx minus fa less than delta, sorry, less than epsilon whenever modulus of x minus a less than delta. That means this implies this. You will have to show. Okay, come to another in a simple form. Okay, y is equal to fx is continuous at x is equal to a. Okay, if limit of function fx x as x tends to a is equal to functional value fa, that is equal to real number. Okay, if the limiting value is equal to functional value is equal to real number, okay, a real number, then we can say the function is continuous at x is equal to a. But in case of interval, we can say if a function is continuous at that interval, we can say the function. Then we can say if y is equal to fx is continuous at all points in a interval, we can say function is continuous at that interval. Okay, so if you understand, if limit of function fx extend to a, that means left hand limit exists, right hand limit exists, and they coincide. Okay, they are equal. Okay, so limiting value is equal to fa, functional value. Okay, so function of value at x is equal to a. So is equal to real number. If this condition is satisfied, then we say the graph is, then we say the function is continuous at x is equal to a. Okay, come to another definition. Okay, given epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 depending on epsilon such that modulus of fx minus fa, understand, fa less than epsilon whenever, okay, whenever modulus of x minus a less than delta. This is also a definition of the what continuous graph. Okay, in a later time we will discuss more about continuity of the function. Now I am explaining in Odia definition of continuity. Continuity कौन पिला हम देखो, এটা continuity माने कौन ना state of being continuous है, state of being continuous, continuous होउथिबार गोटे अवस्था. continuous माने कौन ब्रेक हो नथबो है, निरवच्छिन्न, गोटे निरवच्छिन्न होउथिबार गोटे अवस्था. continuous माने कौन without break, ब्रेक हो नथबो है, विच्छिन्न हो नथबो. अति कंचा ओडिया रे आमे कहबा विच्छिन्न हो नथबा, हो नथिबो सीटा कोनती कंटीन्यूअस है. ताले देखो ए तीनटा ग्राफ नेछि, ए ग्राफ रे देखो कंटीन्यूअस, एटा गोटे कंटीन्यूअस ग्राफ काई ना एटा विच्छिन्न ही नै कोन जगह रे. एठी देखो विच्छिन्न ही छि, ए जगह रे देखो है, एटा देखो विच्छिन्न ही छि, जंप करछि, तेनु एटा कंटीन्यूअस ग्राफ कहा जाई परिबो नाही, एटा कहा जाई परिबो नै, एटा कहा जिवो. सो ए फंक्शन एटा कंटीन्यूअस केतले कहा जिवो ना थ्रू आउट इट्स डोमेन. केतले कहा जिवो ना इफ वी कैन ड्रॉ इट्स ग्राफ विदाउट ब्रेक है, माने हाथ न उठे कि आम जब ग्राफटा को भेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज रे ग्राफटा को टाणी पाले, हाथटा डिस्टर्ब न करिकी जदि आम कंटीन्यूअसली टाणी पाले है, ताले सीटा कोन कहबा कंटीन्यूअस ग्राफ. देखो लिमिट, लैंग्वेज ऑफ लिमिट को आसो, y इक्वल टू fx डोमेनटा कोन हेतिबो इनक्लूड्स, इटा तारी भितरे थिबो, ई इंटरवलटा एटा ग्रेटर देन 0, एटा वेरी स्मॉल हेतिबो. कंटीन्यूअस कहबा केतले x इक्वल टू a रे ना जदि इफ एप्सिलॉन ग्रेटर देन 0 दिया है ताकू डिपेंड करके डेल्टा गोटे थिबो, जेमति कि मॉडुलस ऑफ fx माइनस fa लेस देन एप्सिलॉन केतले होतिबो ना जत्ते बेले मॉडुलस ऑफ x माइनस a लेस देन डेल्टा होतिबो. एही कंडीशन जि सैटिस्फाइड हैला हमें कहबा कंटीन्यूअस हैला. एटा लैंग्वेज ऑफ लिमिट रे in the field of limit we are discussing in field of language, sorry, limit. Okay, आ गोटे डेफिनेशन देखो इटा, if y is equal to fx is y is equal to fx is continuous at x is equal to a, केतले कहबा ना if limit of fx as x tends to a is equal to fa is equal to real number. ओके, तेरे एटी जदि होउतबो ताने कोन कहबा ना फंक्शनटा कंटीन्यूअस एट x इज इक्वल टू a, ताने लिमिट वैल्यूटा फंक्शनल वैल्यू सहित समान होतबो. एटा केतले एग्जिस्ट करिवो जले लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एग्जिस्ट करतबो, राइट हैंड लिमिट एग्जिस्ट करतबो एवं लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट राइट हैंड लिमिट सहित समान होतबो, ताले एटा एग्जिस्ट करतबो. ताले एटा फंक्शनल वैल्यू सहित जदि समान हेगला ताने कोन कहबा कंटीन्यूअस कहबा. आ गोटे देखो डेफिनेशन सब सिनोनिमस. Okay, all definitions are synonymous. Given epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 depending on epsilon. Okay, depending on epsilon such that modulus of fx minus fa, understand, fa with रखा है हेले बुझिले कि fa कोन हेतिबो ना लेस देन हेतिबो epsilon हेतिबो. whenever जत्ते बेले कोन हेतिबो ना मॉडुलस ऑफ x माइनस एटा लेस देन डेल्टा हेतिबो हैले. ताले एत्ति के कंडीशन जदि सैटिस्फाई होतबो ताले कोन कहबा ग्राफटा को कोन फंक्शनटा कोन कहबा कंटीन्यूअस हैले. कोन कहबा कंटीन्यूअस के पॉइंट रे x is equal to a point रे. Perhaps you have understood it clearly. Later time we will discuss more about the continuity of the function. Okay, if you are facing any doubt, send me in comment box. So that I can know and I shall give answers surely. I am very glad that you are responding my teaching. Okay, good, bye.